This is how you shift realities, absolutely instantly. We're all bogged down by so many damn things online. Manifesting hacks, what do we do in meditation? How do we do this? How do we do that? Here is instantly how you can shift your reality. Now remember, our 3D conditions do not shift instantly. The shift that everybody's talking about happens from within. How do we allow this to happen from within? You have to place your awareness on that which is. As soon as you see it for what it is, from an alternate point of view, from that meditative state, from that neutral, non-judgmental state, you place no emotions on it, you place no conditions on it. That awareness will shift you absolutely, completely in that moment. Now, you may not see changes in your reality, and you shouldn't expect to. You should not expect to at all. You should place your awareness and allow it to be that. And walk away. And just walk away. And this is done from within, from that mighty meditative state. That is where we absolutely can create. I think a lot of us, and many of my clients who I've helped over the years, all of their knowledge and all of their awareness of what is happening and what they wish to be comes from these 3D conditions, which it's so little compared to the big picture. Just become aware of that which is and realize it's not you. Just see it for what it is. For instance, I'm sitting in this park. I love sitting in this park in the morning, go on walks, drink my coffee, and I come sit in this park and I talk to my clients and I film videos. If I were to look and see across the way, there's a crow. I am just aware of that crow. I'm not judging the crow. I'm not putting like all these obligations on this crow to do what I want in the 3D reality. No. I'm simply aware of it. What is. That's how we should act in this 3D reality, which I believe is completely a simulation. I just watched a huge 3-hour podcast, Know Thyself. He had Robert Grant. Robert Grant has some amazing things to tell. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. And he was talking about the absolute, complete awareness that we are is all that is. Anything else is of our doing. It's of your doing. Just stop it. Stop putting labels on things. Stop emotionally evolving yourself with the outside world. Go within. Go within. Grab the meditation in the description. It will guide you to that inner sanctuary where we create. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here with me on this journey.